Hello and welcome to Operation Stormy Weather. This is Mafui here with UK Turn 3. We'll kick it off with a income increase. Let's hope for something good. A 12. There we go for 27. We've passed. No, we have not passed the Germans. Never mind. I lied. And then I have tech. So I'm rolling engineering, bombers, naval units, and infantry in land domain. So I hit engineering and I hit infantry. That engineering does mean I get an additional tech roll, which will be for artillery, which I missed as well. So what was that? 2 out of 5. It's not great. Then I will go do my buy. Building 4 cavalry and an artillery for 12 bucks, as well as spending 6 bucks to do 2 influence rolls. One will be on Japan, and one will be on France, both at a rear less. And we hit Japan again, that's really helpful. I would have loved to have some French assistance. And then a couple non-combats. We're going to pick up 2 dudes, on the 2 artillery, put them into the 32nd. That's pretty much the only combat move. So these are all getting built here. We look up here. 2 naval infantry will swap with 2 infantry. Well, no, those will stay. Spider in the 17th is going to go to the British Midlands. Spider up here is going to go down there. Africa is just sitting. And that should be it for my turn. I spent 18 out of 18. And I collect 27 plus 2 for trade. 29. I guess Japan in this order. Japan would go after the Ottomans, but I'm going to move Japan's units right now because I can. Go down. This guy will go over here. Move these over. Coastal Cell will go on too. Coastal Cell will go on too. These will go sit with the transport. Both of these will walk out. These will go down as well. Just because I have nice Japanese fleet now. And that is it. Japanese have no money to spend or anything, so collect money. Yep. Money has been collected. And that's it. Thanks for watching.